Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you are new here, please subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. Today we are making a juice video, carrot orange juice with ginger. Guys, this is very healthy. Sometimes I ask myself, why should I buy juice when I can make healthy juice at home with no sugar? Like, this juice is without any sugar and it's healthy. Here we will start by peeling our ginger and chopping it to the reasonable size that we need. Let's talk a little bit about the benefits of ginger for our health. Eating ginger can help cut down on fermentation, constipation, and other causes of bloating and intestinal gas, wear and tear on cells. Ginger contains antioxidants. These molecules help manage free radicals, which are components that can damage cells when their numbers grow too high. Ginger helps to speed up the digestion process and empty your stomach more quickly. It helps to improve your immunity, and it helps to release nausea and stomach upset and even maybe cancer. So this is very important that you eat or drink ginger. Here we are also going to be peeling and chopping the carrot as well. Let's talk a little about the benefits of carrot juice to your health. Carrots can help boost your immune system. The vitamin C in carrots helps your body build antibodies that defend your immune system. It helps promote healthy vision. Carrot helps to balance your blood pressure. They are great for weight management. They might even lower cancer rates. Carrots helps with blood pressure regulations. They might reduce the risk of heart disease. Carrots supports your immunity, and also they might boost brain health. So please try carrot juice at home. I am going with the oranges now, and later on we'll be blending everything together. So this is me putting everything to the blender, and I'm putting a glass of water and a half glass of milk to blend this. Then later on we are going to drain the juice from the chaff. So I actually blended the carrot and ginger, but I will be squeezing the orange juice separately. Look at how it looks, guys. It looks so delicious. And now we are going to drain the juice from the chaff, as I said earlier. I didn't want to blend my oranges because sometimes when you blend the seeds and all of that, so it gives you some flavor that I don't really like. So I'm actually squeezing it using this lemon squeezer. If you have this at home, it will help for this process. So let's talk a little bit about the benefits of oranges for our health. Oranges helps to boost the body's immune system to protect against viruses and germs. It improves iron absorption and fight anemia, slow age-related muscular degeneration, which can lead to vision loss, lowers blood pressure and cortisol, the stress hormone. I added a teaspoon of turmeric after squeezing the juice, and then I decided to mix everything and blend, give it one more mix, and it turned out so lovely and beautiful. So So we are going to be serving this with some ice. Turmeric, it's a flowering plant in a ginger family. It has been used for 400 years to treat a variety of conditions. Studies have shown that turmeric may help fight infections and some cancer, reduce inflammation, and treat digestive problems. It looks delicious and tastes great. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for updates. Thank you very much.